Modi government's deadline to social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter and Instagram to comply with new social media rules ends in 2 days' time. The government had given 3 months' time to social media giants, and intermediaries were required to appoint a compliance officer, a resident grievance officer, each of whom had to be an employee living in the country, and they also needed to actively monitor that harmful content. And now we are told that time is running out. Have companies done that? I quickly want to cut across to India Today's National Affairs Editor Rahul Srivastav joining us for more on this. Rahul, the government, we are told sources gave a directive to Twitter on a certain tweet of Sambit Patra, BJP spokesperson. Was that complied with? Government orders, are they being complied with, Rahul?
Gaurav, this is a slightly different issue compared to the Sambit Patra to Twitter toolkit element. What I would like to, I'll take a bit of time to explain. Gaurav, on the 25th of February, the government of India notified new rules for all social media platforms. Now, what the government created a new entity, that's something called significant social media platform. Now, what are these significant social media platforms? These are with those who have more than 50 lakh subscribers in India. That makes Facebook, Twitter, and several others liable. Even including the new one which has come up, Koo, which has more now, they were all liable to create what all you read in terms of a grievance officer, a nodal officer, and a compliance officer, so that complaints which are arisen can be resolved and adjudicated upon. That whatever is objectionable can be tackled with, and that mechanism. Also, they were supposed to create a monthly report on what kind of actions have they taken vis-a-vis objectionable content and otherwise. Now, the deadline was supposed to expire tomorrow night. From day after tomorrow, they would have become that they have not complied with deadline. What we are told by our sources and Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that barring Koo, none of the others have complied with all the conditions or not informed the government about the compliance. Now, what is the impact? That is very critical for all the viewers to understand. You see, social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter are intermediaries. They are intermediaries because they say that they basically are acting as a platform between users and users, as a mode of communication between, say, you and me. I post something, you read it, you repost something, and I read it. But that gives them a certain degree of immunity, that since they are intermediaries, if somebody like me posts something objectionable, then you can take me to court, not the company. Now, if the company does not comply with all the rules by tomorrow evening or tomorrow night, they lose the status of intermediaries as per the Indian law.
Rahul, keep tracking that story. I will come back to you for more. For the moment, Rahul Srivastav, many thanks. That is all I have time for on 5 Live this evening.